Hi HOEMies, welcome. My name is Minji and I'm the RA of HOEM Airport Community. Today I'm going to introduce cozy drinks that are really fun, easy making, but delicious. It's fall, weather's getting more chilly. These drinks are exactly what you need. So first drink, we have caramel apple spice, which is like steamed apple juice with cinnamon dolce syrup in it and whipped cream on top with a caramel drizzle. As being said, for ingredients, we need apple juice and caramel dolce syrup. We have a brown sugar version. We have whipped cream and caramel drizzle and also cinnamon dolce sprinkle. So first step is we need to warm up the apple juice first. Okay, so once the apple juice is warmed up, you pour it in a mug into there. Then you mix the syrup with the apple juice so you can get all the flavors in. And then lastly, I'm gonna put the whipped cream up. Make sure to shake it before you use the whipped cream. Put it on top. We're gonna put the caramel drizzle. Oh, it looks so good. And then we're gonna put the cinnamon powder on top. There we go. Right, so here's the caramel apple spice. Right, next drink is Matcha Tea Latte. It's very simple and some people find it very bitter, but I think if you make well-made matcha latte, I think it will taste amazing. So first steps, you need to put like half of 1 teaspoon of matcha powder. And then we need warm water. Okay. Pour a bit of warm water. Then you need bamboo sticks. Okay. Once the tea powder is all dissolved, we need ice. Put ice in the cup. You're gonna put 4 pumps of vanilla syrups. 3, 4. And then pour milk. Then you're gonna pour the matcha on top. And last step, I'm gonna mix it well. And here's the matcha tea latte. So last drink, we have London Fog. London Fog is Earl Grey tea steeped tea latte. So it's very cozy drink and it warms you up really fast. So first steps, first you're going to steep the Earl Grey tea bag. So you're gonna open 1 bag of Earl Grey tea. Okay, perfect. Set it in your mug. And you're gonna pour hot water just to steep the tea bag. We're gonna set a timer for 1 minute.
A few moments later.
Alright, timer's done. Now, you get rid of the tea bag. Okay, while you warm up the milk, we're gonna put vanilla syrup, 4 pounds. mix it together. Alright, so lastly we're gonna pour the steamed oat milk on top and then mix them together. And here's the London fog. Alright guys, so how'd you rate the drinks?
Amazing. 10 out of 10.
10? Yes?
No explanation
Okay,
needed.
another 10?
15.
15 for Tanya, yes! Successful.
Very successful. Beautiful.
Tasting.
Amazing.
I'm so glad.